Hello everyone. Today, I will tell you a story about one of the most powerful and famous leaders in the world, Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia. His life is like a movie. It has problems, action, and success. This story is not only about a leader. It is about how a small boy with big dreams became a very important man in the world. So, sit back, relax, and listen. This story will help you learn English and also make you believe in yourself. Let's begin with his childhood. Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin was born on October 7, 1952, in a city called Leningrad. Today, that city is called St. Petersburg. He was the youngest of 3 children, but his 2 older brothers died before he was born. So, Vladimir was the only child of his parents, Maria Ivanovna Putina and Vladimir Spiridonovich Putin. His family lived in a very small home. It was not like homes we see today. They lived in an old building with many families. They all shared one kitchen and one bathroom. Life was hard. If someone wanted to use the toilet, they had to wait. The kitchen was always full. People cooked at different times, and the smell of food was everywhere. But his family didn't complain. Many people in Russia lived like this after World War II. The war had damaged Leningrad badly. People had very little. Food was hard to find, and life was not easy. Putin's father was hurt during the war. His mother worked hard to take care of the family. Vladimir's parents loved him, but they were strict. They taught him to work hard and never give up. They didn't know that their small, thin boy would become the leader of their country one day. Putin was not a big or strong boy. He was very small and skinny. Other boys in his area tried to bully him. But Vladimir did not run away or cry. He wanted to be strong. At age 12, he started learning judo and a Russian martial art. He practiced every day. He wanted to be brave and confident. He became so good that he earned a black belt. He still loves judo. He says it taught him to be calm and think clearly in hard times. While other kids wanted to be doctors or teachers, Putin had a different dream. He wanted to be a spy, like in the movies. He liked stories about the KGB, which was a big secret agency in the Soviet Union. He wanted to join the KGB one day. To join the KGB, you had to be smart and learn a lot. Putin knew this, so he studied hard. He was not the best student at first, but he improved. He also learned to speak German, which helped him later in life. Living in the shared apartment was not easy. Every morning, his mother got up early to cook in the shared kitchen. She waited for her turn. Sometimes, people argued about turns. Putin ate simple food like bread and tea before going to school. After school, he helped his mother with chores. His family had little money, so they could not buy many things. But Putin did not care. He just wanted to become a KGB officer. After finishing school, Putin went to Leningrad State University. It was one of the best schools in the city. He studied law, which was good because the KGB liked students who studied law. At the university, Putin was quiet. He was not loud or popular, but his teachers saw he was smart and serious. In 1975, after finishing university, his dream came true. He joined the KGB. This was a big thing for a boy from a poor family. He started his job as a secret agent. He worked to protect his country. Putin's first big job was in East Germany during the Cold War. At that time, the world was divided between the Soviet Union and the United States. Putin worked in secret, learned new things, and improved his German. His job was not easy, but he liked the work. He was learning skills that would help him become a leader later. This was just the beginning of Putin's journey. from a small apartment to the big world of the KGB. His story shows that hard work and dreams can change a person's life. He also likes expensive cars and watches. His watches alone cost millions of dollars. But even though he is rich, Putin keeps his personal life secret. He does not talk much about his family or relationships. Putin is known for being strong and brave. He likes to show people that he is not afraid of anything. Many photos show him riding horses without a shirt, diving underwater, flying planes and helicopters, and doing judo. He does this to show he is active and ready to protect his country. One of Putin's big skills is working with other countries. He knows how to make friends with countries like China and India. He also knows how to deal with strong countries like the United States. In 2014, Putin did something big. He took over a place called Crimea, which was part of Ukraine. This shocked the world. Many countries were angry and gave Russia big punishments. But many people in Russia liked what he did. They thought it showed Putin was strong and protected Russia. Being a leader for many years is not easy. People say Putin does not allow free speech and stops protests. Some think he has too much power. But Putin says a strong leader must make hard choices, even if people don't like them. Even though Putin is serious, people close to him say he has a soft side. He loves animals, especially dogs. Many world leaders gave him dogs as gifts. He plays with them at his home. He also loves classical music and plays the piano. These small things show that even a powerful man can enjoy simple things. Putin's life, from a poor child to president, is inspiring. He had many problems but always kept going. His hard work, smart thinking, and strong will made him one of the most important leaders in the world today. His life kept changing as he stayed in power. As Russia grew stronger, Putin wanted the world to see Russia as powerful too. But this part of his life was not only about success. It had many problems and big choices that made the world watch him closely. Putin, a strategic leader. People often say Putin is one of the smartest leaders in history. He always thinks about the future before making decisions. One of his biggest ideas was to work with countries that have similar goals. For example, Putin became close to China. They made big plans together, like building new roads for trade and long pipelines. This helped Russia depend less on Western countries. Putin also worked hard in the Middle East. He supported leaders in countries like Syria. This help made Russia important in that part of the world. Now, Russia has more power to talk and deal with Western countries as equals. War in the modern world. Today, wars are not only about guns and tanks. Technology is very important, and Putin knows this. Under his rule, Russia spent a lot of money on cyber technology. Russian hackers are now known to be some of the best in the world. This gives Russia power without sending soldiers. Some say Russian hackers tried to change elections in other countries. These stories are still debated, but they show how much power Russia has gained through technology. Making Russians proud again. One of Putin's big goals was to make Russians feel proud again. After the Soviet Union ended, many Russians felt ashamed. They thought their country was weak. Putin worked to change this feeling. He started big projects to celebrate Russian history and culture. He brought back military parades and built museums. He made laws to protect the Russian language. Putin often says, "A nation that forgets its history has no future." Many Russians now feel proud of their country again. Putin's healthy lifestyle. Putin is very careful about his health. He eats a healthy breakfast with things like quail eggs, cottage cheese, and fresh juice. Then he swims for 1 hour and exercises. This daily routine helps him stay strong and focused. A leader who cares about people. Sometimes, Putin drives simple cars during his visits. This shows he understands how normal people live. He wants to look like someone who knows the problems of everyday people. The Eurasian Economic Union, EAU. One of Putin's big ideas was the Eurasian Economic Union, EAU. It includes countries like Belarus, Kazakhstan, and Armenia. These countries now trade freely with each other. This helps their economies and makes them less dependent on the West. Putin wants Russia to lead this group and be a strong choice instead of Western countries. Because of this, Russia now has more power in Central Asia. Keeping Russian traditions. Putin modernized many things in Russia, but he also wanted to keep Russian traditions safe. He thinks Russian values are special and should not be changed by the West. He supports religion, family values, and education. He helped the Russian Orthodox Church, calling it an important part of Russian life. Many conservative people respect him for this. But others argue about mixing religion and government. Strong and flexible leader. Putin has stayed in power for many years. He has seen many problems, money troubles, political fights, and even global isolation. But he always finds a way to survive. One reason is that he connects with ordinary Russians. Every year, he holds a TV show called Direct Line with Putin. People can ask him questions. This makes him look like a leader who listens. A mixed legacy. As Putin keeps leading, people have mixed feelings. Some say he saved Russia and made it strong. Others think he made risky choices. But everyone agrees, Putin's story is one of strength and smart planning. He grew from a poor boy into the leader of a powerful country. It is an amazing journey. Putin's lasting impact. As Putin grows older, he focuses on what he will leave behind. People may like or dislike him, but his story shows that smart planning and strength can change history. The power to change. Putin's strength is his ability to change. He doesn't keep doing the same thing. He watches, learns, and changes his plans. This is how he stayed in power for over 20 years. Putin once said, "Leadership is not about staying in power, it's about staying relevant." He knows that Russia must change with the world, but also keep its identity. A world with many powers. Putin wants more than just a strong Russia. He dreams of a world where no one country has all the power. He wants small countries to have a voice. He made strong friendships with China, India, and African nations. He helps countries that suffer under Western rules. He gives them trade and even military help. A political chess master. Politics is like chess, and Putin is a master. He does not act from emotion. He thinks carefully about every step. One time at a big world meeting, other leaders tried to blame him. Putin stayed calm, gave facts, and turned the situation around. He once said, "Emotions are a luxury in politics." He stays calm even when people attack him. Building for the future. Putin knows he won't be president forever. So, he is building a strong future for Russia. Innovation and technology. Putin tells young Russians to study science, technology, and engineering. He believes countries that lead in innovation will lead the world. Improving education. Putin changed the school system. He made it better for students in small towns. He visits schools and speaks to young people to inspire them. Better healthcare. Under Putin, Russia built new hospitals and gave more medical help to people in faraway areas. He says, Russia's strength is in its people. Help them, and the country will grow. Handling pressure. Being a leader is hard, and Putin's life proves that. People often criticize him. They debate his actions and choices. But he doesn't let this stop him. He once said, "If you try to please everyone, you will lose yourself." A true leader must stand by their principles, even when the world disagrees. This idea has helped him through many hard times. The person behind the power. Putin is not just a politician. He is also an interesting person. He loves adventure. Putin enjoys riding horses, diving, and flying planes. These activities show that he is brave and loves challenges. He loves to learn. Putin reads a lot about history, politics, and war. He says that knowledge is the best weapon. Life lessons from Putin. As we end Putin's story, here are some lessons to remember. Be strong. Life is full of problems, but strong people win in the end. Be smart. Don't rush, think and plan. Be yourself. A leader must stick to their beliefs. Grow every day. Keep learning and help others grow too. Putin's journey from a small home in Leningrad to becoming a world leader is a story of strength and dreams. His life shows us that success doesn't depend on where you begin, but how hard you work and how far you're willing to go. This story ends with a message to you: your future is in your hands. Dream big, work hard, and stay strong. There is no limit to what you can achieve.